We're just gearing ourselves up to head up to New Year's Eve fireworks at Sydney Harbour. Should be about a 1 hour trip, but really nice day for the trip. We're just on our way outside the heads to Port Hacking now. That's Gibbon over in the corner you can see there with the beach. Just there is Waverley Cemetery. Probably the best real estate in Sydney, a waterfront cemetery. And you can see Bondi Beach, North Bondi, Dover Heights, and the entrance to Sydney Heads. What a cracking location. Down at Hermits Bay, which is just off Vaucluse. Brilliant day. We've got a fantastic vantage point for fireworks tonight.
My spidey senses are tingling. What?